Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add preferred languages in OneDrive on computer. So how to add preferred languages in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this profile menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap My Profile menu. Now here you will enter the profile menu. Here there are lots of choices. Tap the Your Info menu. Now here there are several choices that you can change. Tap this Language menu. Here it will appear like this. Tap the Preferred Language menu. Now here a menu like this will appear. And tap Add Language. And here there will appear lots of languages from various countries. Choose one. Once done, tap Add Language. Now you have finished adding preferred languages. So that's it, tutorial how to add preferred languages in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.